Welcome to week 1 of 4 of our Peugeot Boxer L1H1 van build. This is a pretty short time schedule for us to be completing a van build in, especially because our last van build took us 20 weeks. But we're up for a challenge and we think it's going to be a cool journey, so we can't wait for you guys to enjoy it with us. Let's get straight into it. How do you feel? Woo! I'm excited! Oh my god, no, Harry, I'm gonna drop it. I need both hands. And the bulkhead is gone. I wonder if we get some money for that.
Maybe.
Do you think?
Probably. Could you get the door?
Yeah. Okay. I was gonna say I'm gonna pass this to you because you're a big strong body.
No, I'm holding a camera.
Ugh.
So Nikki's just making us a little template, a little jigsaw thing. We're using the old ply lining from the floor of the van. We've got it on top of our ply, nice and simple, and we're just going to stencil around that, cut it out, bada bing, bada bong.
Bada bing, bada bow.
Take me down to the waterside, let me drown in your blue-green eyes. Take away all my plans today, I hope you stay, 'cause I'm in love with the salt on your skin. Where you been, my love? I'm in love with the salt on your skin. With the salt, I'm in love with the salt on your skin. Where you been, my love? I'm in love with the salt.
So Nikki, explain what you're up to, what's your plan?
So I'm just putting some timber battens on the floor, and these are going to encase our insulation, which is going to go in the middle of these like big things here, big spaces. We've done this all in our last van conversion, so if you want to see it really in depth in the last one, there will be a link in the description. But apart from that, once we've done that, vapor barrier, plywood flooring, and that's us all done.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's keep cracking on.
Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, that was so sad. Oh, it was all in your face. That was satisfying.
That's it. That's good.
Do the next measurements.
55 by 40 and a 54 by 47.
Okay, make sure that this one is inside the line, because actually that's probably about there.
Okay.
Staring out the window, reaching for
Okay?
Ow! Oh, we yell.
I hate how much I did that.
Okay.
I didn't do
You find it sexy?
You got angry.
waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you
No, the little one. I actually pointed out.
Don't be.
Idiot.
Not like that.
back in my arms.
See this person here?
Listen to the limb.
A bit of a dickhead.
Get angry. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, I'm getting angry. Hangry time, baby.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
I really want sweeties.
Limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures.
I think that's on. That sounds like it's on, doesn't it? When it goes
Yeah.
boop.
Sounds good.
Time for the vapor barrier, motherfuckers.
This is the bit that I shine in.
Yeah, you're good at the vapor barrier. It's your thing. I made an oopsie and you're going to hate me for it.
What is it?
It came out a bit of an angle and ruined all. Please don't hate me.
How's that looking?
I don't know.
Fuck.
What have you just done?
I've broken it.
Well, the whole band's looking pretty fucking good.
It's looking great, actually. So I'm about to measure the back part of the van because we've just put in our vinyl flooring and it does look...
Our vinyl flooring?
Not vinyl, our plywood flooring, and it does look pretty good, if I say so myself. But because the plywood is overhanging a bit, it leaves this kind of gap underneath, which you'll be seeing on the screen now. So we want to kind of put a little timber strut in the way so it's like a flush finish around the edges. 160. We've done it on the way in as well. Harry, would you care to show them the sliding door?
I will make sure I show them the sliding door, what we've done so far.
Do it overnight.
It does look kind of slick, doesn't it?
It does look really sick. I'm
Not
really
to
happy
toot
with it.
our own horn.
And we use this really good spray paint, chalky coloured stuff from Poundland for only £2 instead of like taking ages with a paintbrush painting over it, and it's worked so well.
Banging.
It's like a cream colour. Anyway, let's get on with it.
Let's get on with it. Crack on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Love you.
Crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh.
So that is what we managed to complete on our first week of our 4-week van build. Remember guys, that if you want any of these steps in more detail, then go ahead and watch our last van build series. But anyway, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for week 2 of our 4-week van build, the halfway mark. See you next week!